How to earn more money in dice streams. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn more money in dice streams. Money or coins is the main resource used to upgrade your kingdom and buy more dice. To earn more coins, focus on rolling your dice efficiently to maximize coin multipliers. Claim all free daily rolls and bonuses as soon as they refresh so you don't miss out on free coin gains. Upgrade your dice and castle buildings to boost coin generation and roll rewards. The higher your level, the more coins you get per roll. Participate in events and team challenges where you can earn bonus coins and prizes. Watch ads strategically to double coin rewards or get extra rolls when available. Join an active team or club to receive shared bonuses and coin boosts. Focus on combos and high scoring dice rolls as these drastically increase your coin earnings per return. Sell or trade excess items wisely in the marketplace to generate additional coins. By consistently combining these strategies, you'll see your coin balance grow steadily, and that's how you earn more money in dice streams.